my friend Joel, he told me that we got this new thing called tractor rollerblade skiing. I was like, that sounds pretty cool. And so he took me tractor rollerblade skiing, and I liked it. And next thing you know, I'm one of the top 5 tractor rollerblade skiers in the entire world. So, it's crazy. My name's Billy Bow, and I do extreme tractor rollerblade skiing. Rollerblade with skiing.
Someone will lose, someone must win. Only the strong will survive. Reach for the best you have win.
You gotta bring it up, kid. More times.
You have to stand up and fight when the challenge.
Sometimes tractor rollerblade skiing gets you, and sometimes you get it. That's how it works. Sometimes tractor rollerblade skiing is too extreme for him.
So tell me, what are your best tricks?
Well, I'm really good at the one-handed toe drag. Kind of get that toe drag in there, the hand out. That looks really good. I'm really working on my jumping. That's something that's really on my list of top things.
How high do you get on your jumping?
How high? I'd say about 5 to 7 feet.
No.
Come alive, we all need a winner. So put yourself to the test, be the best of the best.
What happens if you go off course and turn on the road?
Well, that doesn't, yeah. We're trying to work on that, the backcountry off-roading tractor rollerblade skiing.
What's left today? What about crashes? Tell me about some of your crashes.
Yeah, I crashed a couple times because I got really hard when I tractor rollerblade ski. Fucked my hand up pretty bad. Right in the, I can see that. That's all scars from the tractor rollerblade skiing. It gets pretty intense, you know. But you just gotta get up and just keep tractor rollerblade skiing. That's what I always say.
You're top 5 in the world.
I'm top 5 in the world. There are only like 4 of us that do it, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm ranked 5th out of the 4.